Sabin Schellenberg is the amazing college and career center.
Slim Jim!
They have all kinds of great high school electives for students to take.
Everything from news broadcasting to coding to architecture to auto technology to forestry to agriculture to cosmetology and more.
You are invited to attend and see the awesome things they're accomplishing over at the school.
Tonight, October 22nd, 2025, Sabin Schellenberg will be hosting their college and career fair from 3 to 7 p.m.
And maybe, just maybe, get inspired to forecast for one of their electives when you go to high school.
Maybe you want to be a fireman. Or a graphic designer. Or be a farmer.
Yeah!
Or maybe a news anchor.
Yeah!
If these careers or other technical careers sound interesting to you, then Sabin Schellenberg might be the place for you.
So join them at their college and career fair tonight, Wednesday, October 22nd from 3 to 7 p.m.
Slim Jim!
Thanks.